My name is Paulina Alvarez, and I'm an alternative medicine practitioner. And I help mothers master a holistic approach to take care of their kids' health. And alongside that, we work on creating a resilient mental strength and mental health, and while prevent also chronic ill for them and for themselves and their children. One challenge that I was having when it comes to my business was that while being an alternative practitioner, I was only seeing patients one-on-one for a specific reason, which was doing therapy and helping them through their health with very specific techniques. But I knew there was more that I could offer, and they were asking for more. Like there were a lot of topics that we were talking about in the process about how to take care of their health, their diet, their levels of stress, how to help them, and ideas to help them educate their children to be able to have a better lifestyle or find a more natural alternative of a holistic lifestyle when it comes to their health. And I didn't know how to do that because I just had 1 hour sessions with them. So I either would stay with them longer than that or not really give them the right answers. I was already thinking about the next patient coming and so on. And I think that was it, other than not really being clear about everything that I had to offer. I think that was the biggest challenge for sure. When it comes to AA and how it impacted my business in the best way was actually making me do that work, paying attention to all the strengths and all the resources and all the possible, not services, but the wide spectrum of how my service could look like, aligned to who I really, to all the things that I can offer when it comes to the knowledge that I have and the technique that I have. Also aligning it with my story. I'm a single mother and I have a daughter that I've been taking care of when it comes to her health for 12 years now without going to the doctor. And I knew that had a lot of value, specifically for mothers like me or moms that are interested in taking care of their children in this way. So I think the AA helped me in that, to really set down like the ideas and the model of how I could put out to the world the things that I've done in my career and with my daughter, and be able to present it to the right person who could be interested to actually be part of the journey or learn the skills that I was about to offer. Some of the great results that I've achieved during my my time with AA is having these like the results that I had with my daughter and how great she is doing with her health, and using my techniques to actually being used by other moms and having the results that I've had, and seeing how much they're growing, how much they're enjoying the journey, and how they're transforming not just themselves but their family dynamic and their kids dynamic when it comes to their health, and how secure and how confident they feel about doing it. I think that has been the biggest. Other than financially, it has been great to see how they see the value in what I do, and being able to sell this program to them without them hesitating, and just like seeing the value of what they're paying for what they're getting. I think that's a big satisfaction, considering that I didn't know the wide spectrum, and not really knowing how much I could charge for my services, and seeing the result and seeing that they're so happy about it. That's been phenomenal. And yes, that's just AA. I couldn't do it by myself for sure. If anyone's thinking about joining AA, I would say don't waste time. Don't waste more time, because something that I knew that I hate is wasting time in trying to figure it out. And I tried to do it before joining AA, and I just couldn't make it. And the satisfaction of joining AA and knowing that everything that I'm doing has a specific reason, it's going to have a specific result, and it's actually working. Don't waste your time trying to figure out something that someone already did and has done it so well and works wonderfully.